tell it to others. Hear the chorus of faith. Live the chorus of faith. The best note of the song split the darkness. It was sung by the planets and stars, and the light spoke hallelujah, and the words of the chorus sung by angels before us. Now come join the tune. Sing it with your life, sing with your heart, make melody with the words of your mouth. The mind that you listen, tell it to others. Hear the chorus of faith. Live the chorus of faith. That time Jesus came to be